Workhorse just formed a strategic agreement with Hitachi. What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack. I am not a financial advisor, and yes, I am posting a video on Workhorse 2 days in a row. Deal with it.
All you do is talk about Workhorse.
Why did you click the video, man? Today's video is probably going to be quite short and sweet, but this was a big piece of news that I just wanted to make a video on. I think we all know how I feel about Workhorse at this stage, and this is the biggest piece of news we have had in a long time. I've already gotten about 30 DMs on Instagram about it. Let's just talk about it, people. I'm telling you, don't drop me a comment asking me why I posted on Workhorse twice in a row. You're the one who clicked the video. It's Monday, I don't usually double upload. I already had a video up today speaking about Warren Buffett. It was an interesting one. I've spent about 4 hours trying to get my Discord server completely and utterly ready for you guys. And I'm just really excited, so I want to make this video. Leave me be. But anyway, guys, right before we get into the video, can I please ask you to hit that juicy like button? If you're new around here, hit that red subscribe button, people. Join the family. And please drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about this piece of news, baby. It's the most exciting thing we've heard in a while. With that being said, guys, into the video. So here is the headline, guys. Workhorse's stock jumps after strategic agreements with Hitachi. So we were up about 7% pre-market. We're up about 7% as of recording this. The market's been open just over 2 hours. We were up all the way at $18.74 a share. Obviously, there's been a big pullback since then, but this was a piece of news that we needed, guys. So what does this actually entail? So shares jumped in pre-market trading after the electric van and drone maker announced strategic agreements with Hitachi America Ltd to assess Workhorse's manufacturing and supply chain capabilities. This sentence right here, straight off the bat, gets me really excited. We'll speak a little bit more about why it gets excited in literally just a moment, but the agreement will help Workhorse develop a national dealer network and support sales with vehicle financing options for dealers and customers. This alliance with Hitachi comes at an ideal time for Workhorse as we value their best-in-class innovation and experience in ramping up production and enabling us in providing a complete solution to our customers. Ramping up production. So this is extremely important right now for two main reasons. The first one is that we have a production target of 300 to 400 vehicles by the end of the year. We delivered 2 vehicles last quarter. Absolutely terrible, no denying it. We do still believe we are on track for these targets. Something like this only reinforces that thought. Also, guys, I mean, let's be honest. Workhorse is more than capable of delivering 300 to 400 vehicles by themselves. This alliance with Hitachi comes at an ideal time for Workhorse. This would suggest to me that for, one reason or another, there may be some more increased supply demands relatively soon. Now that could be for absolutely any number of reasons. I'm not trying to say it's for any one reason or another, but a lot of you guys probably have the same thought process that I do right now. With Hitachi's innovation and invaluable expertise in EV technology, smart factory automation, and digital technologies, Workhorse is primed to build on our early leadership position as the only last mile EV distributor selling vehicles for commercial use across the country. Hitachi also sells these lovely refrigerators, and I know you're saying, what does refrigerators have to do with electric vehicles? Maybe this could have something to do with, the fact that Workhorse has said in the past that we want refrigerated electric vehicles for last mile delivery purposes. You can see here that Hitachi delivers digital solutions utilizing Lumanda in 5 sectors including mobility, smart life industry, energy, and IT. Energy obviously being the most important one right now. Now guys, you already know if you watch this channel, I absolutely love Workhorse to pieces. And I believe in them so much already. That's why I have put more money into them than any other company that is out there. Seeing something like this gets me really excited. Seeing something like this brings the excitement back to the market in regards to this company. We have not seen that much news as of late, and that has filled investors with anxiety. Seeing something massive like this is exciting. And again, if we are to read in between the lines, I mean, something coming at a time like this with the USPS contract announcement coming so soon, I don't want to connect the dots too early, but it makes sense. Steve Schrader, if you are watching this and you would have a few minutes to spare to answer a few questions, hit me up with an email, my man. But guys, this is so exciting. Hitachi Capital will help Workhorse build out a US dealership network, very important for one, but also it will provide financing to both its customers and its franchise dealers. We already know we're in a cash position to take us through till 2022. This just puts us in an even better position, people. Dwayne Hughes said that Hitachi Capital's involvement could help convince fleet operators to place orders. You can probably tell I'm really excited. With everything else that Workhorse has going for them right now, this is just another little cherry on top of the already beautiful cake. But guys, I just wanted to make a quick little video on this. This is probably like 4 or 5 minutes long, just in case somehow you didn't know about this news. It is awesome. It is really exciting. I mean, regardless of what happens today, more than likely we are going to be staying well above that $17 range. We spiked up into that $18 range, which has only happened once since our initial massive spike. It is looking very juicy. And again, guys, the strategic agreement in itself is very, very exciting. But let's try look in between the lines. The time at which this is happening is absolutely insane with the looming USPS contract. I'm more excited than I've been in an awful long time, except for the fact that I planned on buying about 30 to 50 shares today. It is what it is. But anyway, guys, I don't want to drag this video out. That is the update, guys. That is what is happening with Workhorse, and as you can tell, I'm extremely excited. So, guys, if you have watched until the end of the video, even though it was a very short video, you, my friend, are a true legend, and I really do appreciate you. I want to let everybody know once more, the Discord channel is this close to be launching, and I plan on launching it this week at some stage. I am so excited for it. There is going to be a number of free chats so that absolutely anybody can get involved, and then there is going to be a paid option through Patreon, and there will be, you know, chats on specific stocks where we can all talk about Workhorse, Lordstown Motors, everything. You will be receiving my buy and sell alerts, new ticker symbols that I'm watching, little pieces of nuggets of information from me. Loads of exciting stuff. I really cannot wait to get it out there and start building up this amazing community. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit that juicy like button if you haven't yet. I hope you all have an absolutely fantastic day. Hopefully you don't mind the shorter upload. See you for tomorrow's video. Peace.